It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity.
Ay, no, vamos a tener que pasar por todos los clavos.
Oh, let's get that grimy toolbox. Hang in there, buddies! We're coming to save you!
Corre, 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 corre. Damn.
Not playing hard to catch! You'll never get away with this, you stupid toolbox!
Tienes que pegarle aquí.
Ay, voy.
¡Uy!
Oh, that's gotta hurt!
¡Corre! ¡Sí! No vemos.
Sí, y ahora, lanza el clavo ahí.
Ah.
Faster, mate, faster!
But you're a bit heavy-headed.
Vamos, súbete.
Espérate, yo te digo cuando le pegues. ¡Pégale!
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Más bien, más bien. Pégale los botellas, pégale las botellas. Corre.
Right there!
Tienes que pegarle. Ya vi. Fuck. Espera, pongo todos mis... Ahí está.
Good one, Cody! Hey, watch those nails!
Ay, qué feo. Ay, otra vez la cara.
Ay, ahora resulta que va a ser... Sí, a huevo. Hello, motherfucker.
¿Qué hacen los clavos?
Oh.
Clavo aquí, clavo aquí.
Got him, man!
Good. Now get me to the other side.
Ay,
Espera.
pero es que la
Tengo que volver a hacerlo porque no traía los globos. Oh, lanzo algo. Al tiro, clavos. Estoy curado con...
Listo, lánzalo ya.
Prepara el culo.
Pégale.
You're going down, toolbox!
Okay, here we go.
Toolbox crazy!
Yeah. Next time I'll find a smaller one.
¡Me clavaron! ¡Mi pancita! Oh.
Su brazo
Sí,
va a
aquí.
venir otra vez.
Sí,
Sí, su brazo.
sí, otra vez ahí viene. Ahí está. Vas. Dale, su madre.
My stupid toolbox!
¡Ah, loca! Ah, ya había que quedarle. Esa botella es inflamable. Muy bien, Daniel, vas a tener que pegar en algún momento esa cosa.
Sí.
Y yo voy a tener que ir. ¡No! Me confundo de cámara. Oh, no.
No.
Let's go.
Ay, güey, no estaba lista. Es que no estaba lista. Vela se atoró con los audífonos. Pero si me esquivé.
We're long past negotiating, Cody.
Ya estoy vivo otra vez. Oh, damn. ¡Pégale ahí!
¿Te atinaste?
Good on there, Cody.
¡Hombre! No lo hagas tan rápido. O sea, lo hace adrede, saca para que no le des las chicas.
Sí.
¡Oh! ¡Yo no vi sus clavos! ¡Oh! ¡Bien, pues! Dani, hay que tener cuidado que no nos vaya a cortar.
Eso.
Yeah, boy. Oh. Es que si haces esto, Daniel, eres invencible. ¿Ves cómo no te pegan?
Ay.
¡Oh! No nos dimos cuenta de eso.
Relacionado.
Ven, puede contra mí cuando me agacho así. Soy imparable. ¿A quién le pegas, perro?
Súbete.
Oriuke. Ah, sí, pues la... Soy invencible así. Nada me da. ¿Ese es el poder de esquivación? Ándele.
Me cortó.
¡Pícale y rápido! ¡Pícale y rápido!
Ya.
¡Ay, me morí!
Ya, Carlos, ya.
Ya estoy.
La parte. Súbete, ya.
Pinche código famoso. Me dejó darle el tercero. Ahí viene la espátula del mal. Pura suerte.
Ya va a venir. Ya, súbete.
Finish your work.
¡Ándale!
Oh, wow. Yes, I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. Ooh, it tickles. It tickles. Ha!
¡Opa!
There you go.
¡Qué pedo! Se la metieron en el
Woohoo!
cofre.
I feel brand new. Look at me. I'm whole. I'm whole. You saved us from that rust and toolbox. Thank you, May.
You are a true hero.
Oh, thank you, Hammer.
Hey, what about me? Huh? I was part of this too. Where's my hero love? Did you see that explosion?
Anyway, we still have to get to Rose.
Of course, of course. Sebastian, can you help him out? They have to get to the other
Sebastian
side.
la saw.
Whoa. Flexible.
Step on board.
Really?
Okay, you sure?
Come on, it's safe.
Okay. Ooh.
This doesn't feel safe. I'm not sure.
Just relax.
Okay.
Don't worry, he's very precise. Sebastian, sling it.
Buenas gráficas.
Sí, están buenos, ¿eh? No están nada.
Leaving!
Rose, wait! We need your help!
It's us! Mum and Dad! Don't close the door!
Bien cagón. Ricardo.
Stupid book!
Oh, you've locked us in, you idiots!
Now we're stuck in here!
Stuckness is a mental construct. If you stare at the closed door, you will miss the one that's open.
Okay, FYI, there is only one door in this shed.
And one window.
Good thinking, man! Woo! Let's go to the window. Woo!
Book is out of his mind, okay?
Corre, 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 corre. Míralo, míralo. Hombre. Skateboard.
Entonces tienes que picar rápido, le picas ahorita TT a la Y. Ya casi, ya casi. Vente.
Ah, uno se puede ir por arriba.
¿Cómo sería?
Yeah, boy, let's go. Yo voy por acá.
Holy crap!
Focus! Here it comes!
Oh.
Buenísimo este, me gustó mucho. Yo solté.
Ah, le pico RB, no tengo que picarle A para brincar. El librito.
May, look, it's your old binoculars.
Amazing! Let's find Rose!
Oh, Rose. Yeah, we need to find her.
Oh, yes, I know we look like dolls, but we're actually her parents.
I know who you are. Nothing escapes my lenses. Look.
What, in here? All right, okay. Let's see,
Oh, I look dead. Am I dead?
You're not dead.
What's going on? Oh, no. What's the matter with us?
All I know is that Rose sat down there with her dolls, and then you two came alive.
just like that? You didn't see anything else?
Well, there was one unusual thing.
Why? What happened?
She was crying.
Oh.
I know, quite unusual for Rose, but I am 100% sure because I could see her tears falling onto the dolls.
Tears were falling onto the dolls. Oh, wait a minute. I know what happened. It's a spell!
Oh, don't be ridiculous, Cody. We've got to apply logic.
May, okay? We are having a conversation with a pair of binoculars. There is no logic in that.
For God's sake, I don't even believe in spells.
Okay, well, did you believe that you could be turned into a wooden doll? Huh? Exactly. It had to be the tears. It was a spell, I am telling you.
So, if
I
it
am
is
telling
a
you.
spell, how do we break it?
Okay, I got this. Yeah, me and Rose, we read all about this spell stuff. I'm a virtual wizard right now, okay? Just give me some space, I need to think.
I have nothing.
Okay, so, if the spell was cast through her tears, then in order to break it... Oh. In order to break it, we have to reverse it through her tears. Boom!
Right.
Okay, we basically have to find her and make her cry on us again.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Do you know where to find her, Miss Binoculars?
She's in her room. Go on.
Okay. Thanks. Come on, mate.
How do we get to her room from here?
Easy, we just climb the tree.